Hello my pretties. So today we're going to be doing a partial hybrid set. You heard me right, I said partial, not full. But just quick disclaimer, I do want to explain that this is a partial. This is because this client is a friend and where we work we are not allowed to have lashes, so that is why we're doing a partial. So please keep that in mind. I don't want to see anybody in the comments saying like, what the hell is this? Like, I 100% lash every natural lash on regular clients, so keep that in mind. So let's get started. Right, on this set I did use two different mappings on each diameter. So on the classics I did do a 0.18 and they are, the outer corner is a 14, the middle is a 15, and the inner is a 13. For the volume fans that I did use, I used a 0.03 or maybe a 0.05. I think a 0.03, just because again, she does want fullness, but we are trying to conceal and hide these babies so they don't yell at her, you know? So with that, with the fans, I did go on the inner corner, I did 11, in the middle I did 13, on the outer corner I did 12. I kind of did mix the lengths just to make it more wispy and to kind of look a little bit fuller. So here I am just applying the lashes. Guys, I do want to film a lot of these lash videos, so this is a practice run. I am trying to see if my angles are good, so please let me know which angle was your favorite because I do change it up a little bit. And yeah, so I guess I'll just shut up now and let you continue watching what I'm doing, and I'm really working on the angle, so let me know. And a quick little note, honestly it is so hard to film lash videos. You have to have focus, and look at my big head. My big head is in the camera, so we can't let that happen. And then it's just so hard to see. So, and it's just really hard to work. Like I just did not work comfortable. Don't comfort me, guys. I've always had trouble saying this word growing up as a kid, and I still can't do it. But anyway, so yeah, I just couldn't find the right, like I wasn't feeling well. You have to be like sitting perfectly. You have to just have everything perfect when you're trying to lash somebody. So I don't know, maybe you can tell how I was struggling, but I do it for you guys. So let me know if this is something you do want to see. Yeah, so now I'll shut up for real, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do want to see more videos like this. For me, I feel like it's very satisfying, even if you're not a lash tech trying to learn. And subscribe if you have not. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I did leave this part in so you guys can see that I am a pincher. I do have a pinching technique video on this channel. It'll be linked down below, or you can just find it here. Along with that, I also do go from one eye to the other eye. I don't always just do one eye and then the other. This works for me. I feel like it makes your sets a lot more even and it's a lot faster. Remember, like I said, these are practice runs, so I know I keep putting my big old head in the camera, so excuse that, but I thought I'd leave it in because you still kind of get to see like how I place the fan. And also my fans aren't even that open. Like I usually love my fans super wide, but I was like struggling. I probably should have tried a little bit harder. I mean, it still came out looking beautiful, but still. And what I like to do is I like to run the fan over the eyes just to get any fumes that may be like lingering around or anything. And then I also always brush through. Like I know I don't show that a lot, but I brush constantly, almost after each drying time. So That's very important, just to keep everything nice and tangled. Something else I want to add is that I do usually work from like the outer corner in, or I'll do like the inner corner, then the outer corner, and then the middle. But for this set, how it has a lot of different dimensions, I wrote down on a piece of paper like what her mapping was, and so I'm kind of just going in and filling, because again, I don't want to fill 100%. So that is what I was doing here. So as you may know or you don't know, there are different techniques to isolating. And here you'll see me use a lot of the push over with the tweezers, and then I use my finger to hold back the other lashes, and then that's how I'm isolating, as you can see here. And that really works. So I don't know if you guys have tried that, but you should. It helps a lot. Let me explain that a little better. You can use your fingers to isolate, and I do this because for sure make sure you have clean hands. I always sanitize like constantly, but also when they have a lot of tiny and different size lashes, that's when this technique is very helpful. Other than that, I usually just isolate the original way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I will be doing more full complete sets. My next one, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see a full classic set? Do you want to see a full volume, full mega volume? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, like the video if you do want to see more videos like this, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on me posting something else like this. And The after pictures, it'll get better. In time, I need to work on focus and all that, and I will. And it looked very beautiful. It looks natural, where she can get away by saying that she's wearing mascara, and that's what we were going for. Something very natural, because we will get yelled at. And girl, if you get yelled at, let's just get yelled at. It's so worth it.